Welcome family. We will solve the value of x from this equation. To start solution, log 4 raised x minus 2 equal to log 14. Log 14. Log a raised to b gives b log a. Then x minus 2 log 4 equal to log 4 times 10 over log 4 over log 4. This cancel to this. X minus 2 equal to log a times b equal to log a plus log b. Then log 4 plus log 10 over log x minus 2 equal to log 4 over log 4 plus log 10 means 2 times 5 over log 2 raised to 2. X minus 2 equal to this cancel this one plus log 2 plus log 5 divided to log 2. X minus 2 equal to 1 plus log 2 over 2 log 2 plus log 5 over 2 log 2. X minus 2 equal to 1. This cancels this plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. X minus equal to shift to right side plus 2 plus 1 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2 and is 2. X equal to 3 plus 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. X equal to 2 divided 1, 2 times 3, 6 plus 2 divided 2, 1 times 1, 1 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. X equal 7 over 2 plus 1 over 2 log 5 is 2. Check. 4 raised x means this. 7/2 plus 1/2 log 5 is equal to 40. Wow. 4 means 2 raised to 2 into 7/2 plus 1/2 log 5 is to equal to 40. A raised m plus n equal to a plus times a raised n. Then m is m. This represent n. Then 2 raised 2 into 7/2 times 2 raised minus 2, because the first equation 4 raised x minus 2. 2 times 1/2 log 5 m base 2 times 2 raised minus 2 equal to 40. Equal to 14. Then this cancels this. 2 raised 7 times this cancels this. 2 raised log 5 base 2 times 2 raised 2 times 2 times 2. 2 raised minus 4 equal to 40. 7 times 2 raised log 5 is 2 times 2 raised minus 4 equal to 14. A raised log b is a equal to aa. Similar give us b. Then 2 to aa. Then b equal to 5. Then to the power of 7 times b means 7 5 times this 2 raised minus 4 equal to 14. 5 times 2 raised 7 times 2 raised minus 4 equal to 14. 5 times 2 raised 7 minus 4 equal to 14. 5 times 2 raised 3 equal to 14. 5 times 2 times 2 times 2 equal to 14. 5 times 2 10. 2 times 2 4 equal to 14. 10 times 4 14 equal to 14. 8 h's equal to RHS. So the solution is correct. Thank you family. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. Goodbye family.